What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, and on this video I'm gonna show you guys the best way to trim your beard so that it can look fuller, especially when you want to have a full beard. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I've seen lots and tons of guys who have nice beard, but the way they trim it, man, it ruins their beard. So since you guys have been using minoxidil, probably you have a full beard or you're about to have a full beard, I don't want you guys to do the same mistakes that these guys do. Some of their beard, they look like this and like that, and as you can see, man, they don't look good. So in fact, I'm doing this video to make sure that you don't do the very same mistakes. So to have a great beard, guys, it's not only taking care of the beard. Lining up your beard, it's also one of the biggest part that you should be able to do. Now, how exactly should you line up your beard if you really want to have a full beard, or if you want your beard to look fuller? So let's start on the cheeks. How exactly would you want your beard to look like? As you can see, man, here's my beard. It's not higher or lower. If I go to the other side, it's not also higher or lower. It's exactly in the middle. It's appropriate. So how exactly do you line up in a way that it doesn't look higher or it doesn't go lower? So there is a trick that you can use. Usually that's what I tell my barber when it's actually lining up my beard. So here's the trick. First of all, start here on top of your ear, and then from there you draw a line from here straight to the corner of your mouth. So this is what you should tell your barber. Obviously there will be some sideburns here, but it should be the guide from that. So that line should be able to trace it to that side. So because if you don't do that, your beard might be too low, and when it is too low, it looks like you're a bit chubby, okay? And then when it's higher, you just look messy, man. You look like some sort of a hobo. Some people, it's a great look, but it needs a certain features so that it can look so good. So when it comes to your jaw, you can tell your barber to draw exactly with your jaw. So they must exactly line your beard on the jaw, exactly where it cornered, and then they stop right there. The reason why is to show up, is to pop up your jaw. If you have strong jaws, man, you look masculine, you look manly, and that is what we want. Hence we grow the beard. And then under the chin. So this is one of the things that is so tricky. I can see a lot of barbers, they actually manage to do the two things that I just talked about, but under the chin, man, that's where most barbers, they mess it up. Do not allow them to do the following. As you can see, you appear as if you have double chin, or you appear chubby. Again, we don't want that, man. We just want to have chiseled jaws, and in able for us to avoid that, we need to do the following. So under the chin, you talk to your barber, you tell them above the Adam's apple. As you can see, mine is not that visible, but above the Adam's apple, you tell him or her to trace it from your jaw, then straight to your Adam's apple, exactly like that. So if it happens that you have the neck beard, get rid of it, man. Get rid of neck beard. Ladies don't like neck beard. It's messy. You look like you don't care about yourself. If you do have some at the back of your ear, get rid of it. So you're gonna look awesome. Just line it that way. When you do it that way, guys, you appear as if you have a full beard and it looks well taken care of. When you do that, plus the product that you use to take care of your beard, if you're using minoxidil, try to cover the patchy areas with minoxidil. If you're not using minoxidil, try to wait as long as you can so that those patchy areas, your beard can grow. I hope this information, guys, was useful. If you think this method is not working for you, or if you think this is not appropriate for you, you can leave a comment. If you have any other ways of lining up your beard, or you find it nicer than this one, do not forget to leave a comment. But I'm telling you guys, I've got a lot of compliments from the way I lined my beard. So thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the comment section. Thank you very much. Cheers.